Hey guys, I think our campus has so many trophies. That shows our campus has so many potentials. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Well, that means our city, Malang, also has so many potentials. Like, do you know one of them is BBIB Singosari?
Yeah, artificial insemination, right?
Yeah, Artificial Insemination Center.
Oh, maybe we can check the website.
Okay,
check it out.
let's search for it. We can get so many insights from there. They were established in 1976.
I think it's great when we go there.
Hey guys, what do you think if we search for information on how to get there?
Sure.
Yeah, we can
that's
search for
correct.
the contacts. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Hello, good morning, students.
Good morning, Doc.
What are you talking about?
Well, we were just talking about artificial insemination, and I think we're planning to go to the Artificial Insemination Center.
It's very good. Yeah, we have a cooperation with Artificial Insemination Center in Singosari. According to our program, Student Action Program, we would like also to have a virtual trip to
that's great.
Artificial Insemination Center. So maybe three of you can become the guide for our Student Action participant.
Oh, we
Would
would
you
like
mind?
to. Yes, we would like
Okay.
to.
Hello. Good morning, Dr. Kresno. How are you? Yes, I'm fine too. Thank you. So, I call you to ask for permission for our student to visit your institution. As information, in our faculty, we have a program, student exchange, that already held virtually. And one of the activities of that program are virtual trip to Artificial Inseminator Center in Singosari.
Of course, Dr. Dia. With pleasure we will accept your coming, and I'm sure they will find and getting a lot of knowledge. It is an honor for we be able to work together with the Faculty Veterinary Medicine, University Brawijaya Malang, especially in the student exchange program.
Okay, thank you very much for your permission. So our student will go ahead after this.
We hope that the activity can continue to be a form. Best regard.
Thank you, Dr. Kresno. Yes, have a nice day. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.
Hi, all student exchange participants from all over the world. So we are from Veterinary Medicine of Brawijaya University, and we are going to hold a virtual tour to BBIB Singosari. BBIB Singosari is an artificial insemination center located in Singosari, Malang, and its main task is to produce and distribute frozen semens from various animals such as goats and cattle. So what are you waiting for? Let's go there.
Selamat pagi Bu, ada yang bisa kami bantu? Silakan parkir di depan pos. Oke, siap. Oke, siap. Silakan.
Welcome to BBIB Singosari.
I'm from Veterinary Medicine of Brawijaya University.
Okay, welcome to Singosari National AI Center in Malang. And if you would like to visit our area, you have to use a biosecurity uniform. Now I'm going to show you our location here, but we can tour through the location by using biosecurity train over here. This is our quarantine facilities. If we take new animal from outside of the area, we will put them in these quarantine facilities before it can join with the other bull. All of these bull, they already select by some criteria, like the SNI, Standard National Indonesia. So these bulls, they are from Sumbawa. It is new cattle in Singosari. They will be observed for about 14 days. How is the health of the cattle or the bull, and we also take the sample to evaluate in the laboratories. We have many breeds that are exotic here. For example, Limousin, Simmental, and then we have Wagyu and Belgian Blue.
Tot, kon ngenteni aku sampai dia ajak ngomong Tot ya. Ya Tot. Ya, kena duduk.
Okay, now we arrived in the area of the paddock. I would like to introduce you to my friend. This is Mr. Zulkaidi.
Nah, karena kita di BIB ini memproduksi spermanya, jadi memang perlu kita kenalkan ke petani ternak, terutama petugas untuk sapi pejantan Belgian Blue. Jadi nggak usah susah-susah, peternak itu mempunyakan sapi lokal, kita kawinkan dengan pejantan Belgian Blue. Kelebihannya kalau untuk petani ternak banyak sekali, karena Belgian Blue ini yaitu sapi sosis atau sapi pedaging. Inilah sapi-sapi lokal kita untuk kita mempertahankan plasma nupah juga. Yang pertama itu sapi Aceh, yang ini sapi Bali, sapi Galean, ada sapi Balur, perpaduan antara banteng dan sapi Bali.
So I have a question regarding the replacement cage. So
Yes.
what are replacement cages and what is the purpose of them?
Di Balai Besar Inseminasi Buatan Singosari ini kita memiliki target, ya. Artinya target-target itu sudah kita hitung. Every year, ya, kita harus melakukan analisis terhadap kebutuhan daripada semen beku.
Is to replace the bull that we have, and some of them they will get some problem with the health, with the quality of the semen, and then sometimes they were too old. The replacement, usually we have some program or planning, strategic plan to replacement of the bull, and gradually. This is our land that we use to grow the feed for the animal like this. This is Indigo Vera. What kind of feed that we use and how is the ration? Here is my friend. This is Mrs. Putri. She will explain to you about the feed that we use in Singosari.
Yes. How is the method used to produce the feed, and what are the ingredients of the feed?
We mix forage, concentrate, silage, hay, and mineral in total 6,000 kilogram. We mix together, we divide it into package, and we distribute into animal on base their need twice a day. We use more than 45 hectares. We grow many plants like grass, corn, some leguminosa, and Indigo Vera.
About the methods used in cement collection, what kind of methods that will be used in this cement collection? Would it be like artificial vagina or electroejaculator or anything else?
We use the collection of cement method is using artificial vagina, and for some cases we also use electroejaculator. Electroejaculator and massage method is used when the bull have some different cases or different libido with the other bull. if the cattle is healthy, it can mount the teaser and the collection will be done. And then the next requirement is the cattle should be in health condition, have already take the feed before go to the collecting arena, and should be clean all of the body. This is our laboratorium facilities where we process the fresh semen into the frozen semen. Now I will introduce you to my friend. This is Mrs. Dita. Mrs. Dita will explain to you about the process of making of frozen semen. Do you have any question to Miss Dita?
Yeah, I do have a question. How do you examine the semen which has been collected from the bull? How do you examine it in the laboratory?
The evaluation procedure for the semen, we divided into 3 parts, microscopies and then macroscopies, and also we check the concentration. This is the package that we use to make the frozen semen. We call it ministro. Ministro. We have so many color of ministro. It is depend on the breed that we put inside.
I think this is the last section in Singosari National AI Center. As we know that all of the production from laboratory will be sent here at our sperm bank, and then here we make the last quality control before we distribute to many AI service in Indonesia and also some other countries. Our total stock is more than 3 million doses. Yeah, we have a huge number.
I think that's all for our tour. You have already seen all of our area. Thank you very much for coming to Singosari Artificial Insemination Center.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yes, you're welcome.